What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing and Trading with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games making a nice move. Money's flowing into the alts. We're sitting at 0.0268, up 5.6 on the day. See a market cap of 579 million, 24-hour volume 58 million. Let's hop to the chart. So we bounced off to 50%. If we take a fib retracement from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3, boom, 50% retracement, huge bounce. So it looks like we're going to put in the impulse, which we love to see. Wave 5 target 0.0278. That will complete this larger wave 3. Now, of course, you can overextend. Any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5, and it can extend above the 0.618, but that's the normal target. Pull back in the wave 4. That will be the yellow count to finish the wave 3. Pull back in the 4. Put in a wave 5 to complete this first wave 1 up off the low here. So what we'll be looking at, boom, wave 1 to the upside, pull back into 2, continuation. That's what I think is likely. So far, so good. It's following our wave count to a T, which we love to see. Nice little rhyme. Getting back above the 20 EMA that we've been talking about on the channel. Looks like we're coming up to test the 55 EMA, so maybe we'll push up to the 55. At 0.0288, we get rejected. We see that wave 2 pullback, and then we start to see continuation. We have the bullish cross, and see you later. We see continuation to the upside. I'll give you that larger wave 3 target in white. If you take a fib extension from the bottom of 1 to the top to the bottom of 2, you would target the 1.618, and that will give you a wave 3 target of 16 cents. And from the current price, that's a juicy appreciation of only 573%. Nothing to complain about. All right, guys. So that's what we're looking at for Gala Games. Target 0.0278 for the wave 5, the yellow wave 5 to complete that wave 3. Pull back into 4, push up into wave 5. Complete this large wave 1 to the upside. Pull back into 2, boom, continuation to the upside. All right, gang. Beautiful. We're in a Gala long trade in some juicy profits. We're in a Bitcoin long trade in some juicy profits. We're in Ethereum long trade in some juicy profits. We're in a Sand long trade about to be in some juicy profits. And you can receive a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, forex signals analysis. If you want direct access, it's only 10 USD per month. You can sign up to the Patreon link in the comments. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. All links in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.